Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, we have very special shopping episode for today because we are going to see beautiful bags from different luxury brands. Yes guys, so we are going to see beautiful bags from YSL. I'm going to show you contemporary luxury brands as well from Marc Tori Burch, Kate Spade. Of course, I'm going to show you alternative to trendy luxury bags of today. So guys, this is going to be really exciting. I encourage you to stay tuned until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Premiere52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Hey guys, for our next episode, we are going to check out different brand at Rustan. So we are going to check out YSL, we are going to check out Chloe, Furla, and all of that good stuff. So hope you enjoy the selection that I will be showing you for today. Yay! Let's start first with Bally and how cute this beautiful bucket bag is. Silk comes with leather trims and canvas. Super cute. It would fit your phone. So we have a bigger version of the bucket bag. I feel this is the same size as the Louis Vuitton in a way. This one comes with the monogram coated canvas with leather trims. Now let's check out Tori Burch. So 38.5 for the Lee Radziwill bag. So this is cute. Love the print on this one. Love the size as well. This one guys for 28.5. This is an actual bag. So I believe this is Tiger. Found it. Super cute. Super nice. And then for 38,500 they have a mini bucket bag as well. Super cute. Love the top handle. You know me guys with small totes. Love this one from Tori Burch. So also found this one for 24.5 from Longchamp. I picked this one up because it reminds me of the Hermes Picotin and I would love to show it to you guys. Next, let us check out Ferragamo. I'm actually curious to see their new bag. So we have here top handles with the Gansini hardware. Super cute top handle bag here. Love this one as well. Bucket bags. We have this shoulder bag from Ferragamo. This one is their version of the Chanel 19 bag, puffy shoulder bags. So let's check out Kate Spade. This one is 14.5, so small tote. Genuine leather with the jacquard strap. This one guys, super cute. 20,500. Of course, it resembles the Bottega's pouch bag. I love it that it comes with top handle. Cute color as well. Just look how cute. So it also comes with a longer shoulder strap you could carry as a crossbody bag. It comes in this very summery peachy color. Super love the color as well. Would definitely uplift your look. Like for example, what I'm wearing here, I'm wearing an all black, then imagine carrying this one. Definitely would up your styling game. So another color for 20,500 in this light blue color. I really do love the braided top handle guys. So if you are looking for a cheaper alternative to the Prada nylon bag, then check this one out from Kate Spade. Comes with a longer shoulder strap. Love the bottle green color of this one as well. So if you are looking for an alternative to Fendi baguette bag, then check out this Michael Kors quote-unquote baguette bag. I love the detailing, the structure of the bag, the overall monogram. Comes with 2 straps, top handle, and a longer crossbody bag. Another cheaper alternative to the Louis Vuitton Capucines bag is this bag from Michael Kors. So as you can see here, really looks nice and very structured. So let us check out this very beautiful Marc Jacobs tote bag, which is very popular right now. So it comes in this very beautiful graffiti print for 21,500. It also comes in this steady slash like a towel material. What do you think, guys? 25,500, a good alternative to the Jody bag. This is by Furla, guys. Super beautiful bucket bag from Furla. This one, I love the punch of red. It also comes in different color for same price of 21.5, this salmon peachy color. Let's check out the bags from YSL. So we have here 142K for the now famous hobo bag of YSL. Love the leather in this one, a mock croc leather. So another beautiful shoulder bag, vertical quilt from YSL. This one, guys, every time I'm seeing this at YSL, I would really pick this up because she is really beautiful and really stunning. So this is how it looks like for example, you're going to attach and make it into a top handle bag. So we have here 83.6. This is the Nikki bag in this crumpled leather. For only 119K, you can already have the Lulu puffer bag from YSL. Love the off-white color. Of course, the very beautiful Lulu bag for 179K. Love the color and I love the size of this one. Definitely would be adding this to my wish list. Guys, would you say yes or no to this very beautiful YSL envelope shoulder bag? Love the color, love the size.
22.5.
So let's just check out more contemporary brands. So this is from Yuzefi for only 22.5. So this resembles the bag from Jacquemus, the Le Chiquito bag. Love this one. Although it's really small, guys, I'm not really sure if you could fit your credit cards, but definitely a showstopper if you are going to carry this. So a much bigger version for 32.5. So definitely would be better than the smaller one in my opinion. This one for 39,500. Very cute vanity style bag. So this is like a combination of a pouch bag and a roller bag of Dior. Super cute and love the creamy, delicious color of the bag. So just showing my OOTD for the day, guys. So I'm wearing my Moschino shirt, my Coach bag, attached my Fendi micro baguette charm. I'm wearing my YSL belt, and of course I am wearing my Monster shoes. What do you think? This one is how much?
20.
And then the green one?
23.
23. I love the color green. Hi guys, so here is the bag that I'm carrying for today. Look! So Coach Tabby, top handle 18, and I have accessorized her with my Fendi baguette bag charm. Super cute! Can I see? Yeah, I love the pink. Super cute. It comes with long strap, no? Alright, so guys, I was totally surprised at Rustan's. I love the selection that I was able to find. So there were bags there. It's like dupe. So I've seen like from Fendi, from Michael Kors rather, like a Fendi baguette. They also have an option for the Louis Vuitton Capucin's bag. Then there was also one from Kate Spade that looks like a Fendi purse or a Bottega pouch bag, which is super gorgeous. So guys, among the selection that I've shown you for today, which one is your favorite? Please let me know.
There, hope you enjoy our shopping episode for today, guys. So among the very beautiful bags that I've shown you, which one is your favorite? Please do comment down below. Again, guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Premier52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!